All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna actually add a little bit to the imperfection of the 3D model that we have. So we're just gonna, there's a little button on the actual pen, and I like to use the pen for this. So imperfections, we're gonna fix them up just a little bit and add a little bit. So we got that one. So pretty much I'm filling in a little bit more, and then we're gonna grind it out. But look at this one's missing a lot right here. So we're gonna add here. I just want you to see that, look at this. I just made the nail. I grind it a little bit, if you guys can see that. Matching it up with the color. So I could tell which one's which. And it looks like it belongs here. And you guys saw that it was missing a big chunk. So I used the 3D pen to add, and I know I added a lot here, but you're gonna see how much it takes shape, all right? So we repaired it right now. We're gonna add a little bit more just in case we have to add some more layers. All right, so 3D pen works very well. I use it for pretty much when I'm modeling and I had to fix certain models. This is what I use a lot. Now I use different colors with different models so I can know exactly what I need to clean out, and then I have to go back in there and redo it if I miss a piece or something. Now this one right here comes with its own power, of course, and I'm gonna plug it in, but I'm not gonna turn it on yet. So when you plug it in, it's gonna turn red. When you turn it on, and you want it to turn on, it's gonna turn green and it's ready to go. This tip, it gets hot. Now you could control the speeds from here. This is forward to take the actual PLA, and this is to take it out, all right? Now there's a lock mechanism that turns off the whole thing unit, right? And then of course you have the releasing button here. And this, you could replace to an actual longer ribbon. This is only, it came with the actual pen, and we use it for that. I use this so much to repair some of the models. Instead of reprinting the whole thing, costing me more money if I reprint the whole thing. Instead of the reprinting, I use this a lot more. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.